Shalom. First and foremost, I give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makarkadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. I say shalom to the Akim out there, Shabbat Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to do. This is a recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published June the 16th, 2023, and it reads, a magnitude of a 6.5 earthquake struck near Tonga. And keep this in mind, I did a sit-down lesson day before yesterday, and it was in the same area region when you had a magnitude of a 7.2 earthquake near Tonga. Now a day later, now it's a magnitude of an earthquake of 6.5 near Tonga. So I just want to add a note to that. And it says a magnitude of a 6.5 earthquake struck near Tonga on Saturday, the United States Geological Survey, USGS, says. The earthquake epicenter was located about 270 kilometers and 167 miles south of Tonga, at a depth of 10 kilometers and 6.2 miles, according to the USGS. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And it reads,
Yeah, there's a ton to consider for Washington. There's part for Bradley Bill as well. When it comes to Kyle Kuzma and Kristaps Porzingis, and whether they're going to exercise their player options by next week's deadline. In addition to Beal, we're getting a windy Bobby. He's stirring things up. Brian Whitworth is. The league is certainly wondering if the Pelicans are going to move on from Zion. What's your assessment?
And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, from BibleGateway.com of the Holy Scriptures, KJV version. And it reads, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fruitful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. Right. Great earthquakes in diverse places. And that's what we are seeing. We're seeing the increasing of these earthquakes around the world. So with that, this was just a quick sit-down lesson that I wanted to bring out from the Jerusalem Post of this recent earthquake over there near Tonga. Previously had a 7.2 magnitude earthquake. Now a day later, now in the same region, they had a new earthquake, and this was a 6.5 magnitude of an earthquake. So with that, once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makarkadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerity as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom. Shabbat Shalom.